I'm Donna and this is my little kitchen. This is the place where I prepare healthy, colorful, and tasty food. So if you're someone who is looking for something like that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will share more. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes of chickpea curry, which is very flavorful, tasty, and easy dish to prepare. I have about 3 cups of chickpeas, which I soaked overnight and then cooked about 2 hours. If you want to make the process fast, you can add a teaspoon of baking soda and it makes it cook really fast. About 15 minutes they are done. I also have 1 onion, which I already chopped medium size, 2 medium-sized carrots cubed, and coconut milk, which is very important. I like to use light coconut milk, but you can use just full coconut milk. Curry powder, very important because we're making chickpea curry, right? And if you have this red curry paste, you can use that, but if you don't have it, it's fine. I also have 1 tomato. You can use tomato paste or tomato sauce, but I'm going to use fresh tomato just because I have it. Ginger. I love using ginger in this dish. I'm going to use about 1 inch grated and a couple of huge garlic cloves and cilantro. That's it pretty much. Okay, let's start. So I added a tablespoon of canola oil. You can add coconut oil, and I'm going to put my onions in here and start sweating those onions. So on medium-low temperature, we need to cook them just a little bit. Just give a little color, don't burn it. And I'm gonna start chopping my garlic meanwhile. Oops. Just roughly chop. And toss that here. That was a big garlic clove, so I think that should be enough. I'm not gonna add more. All right, these are in the pot, so we don't have to stir that much. Just put the lid on and just cook about for 5-7 minutes and just check in between. All right, let's check. Ooh. Kind of burned it a little bit. That's fine. That looks good. I'm gonna add carrots, and I grated about a tablespoon of ginger. I'm gonna add that too. Just give a little stir and let this cook on medium-low for about another 5 minutes. Right, of course you can chop this tomato, but if you have this little hand tool, hand blender, you can just break it into pieces like that when you're lazy. And there you go, done in seconds. I think 1 tomato should be enough, so we have this ready in seconds. All right, let's check it. So you don't have to do much with that. Let's add the chickpeas because we have to cook all these things together. Add tomato sauce. I'm gonna add my red curry paste, about a teaspoon, good teaspoon. Oops. About a teaspoon curry powder. That's perfect. And coconut milk. Okay, turn the heat up. We need salt, a teaspoon. That should be good, and we have to let this cook on low and slow for about 40 to 45 minutes or even an hour until it absorbs all the flavor. Let's check it, guys. Look at that. Most of the liquid is evaporated and our chickpeas are nice and soft, and it looks pretty nice. It's been cooking about 50 minutes. I'm just gonna add the final touch, cilantro, and a little more grated ginger because I want this fresh flavor in it. And how about adding a little spice in it, some hot pepper, right? Because we need that spice in our life. All right, let's taste it, guys. serve this in this bowl. You can eat just like this, or you can serve it with rice or quinoa, but I like just eating like that. I have a customer who orders this dish every week. And I make like huge container, and they just love it. So you can use canned chickpeas. You don't have to cook your own chickpeas. That will save you a lot of time. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, that smells fantastic. Very good, guys. Very simple. It takes a little time, but you just have to put all the ingredients together and just, you know, chill and have a glass of wine. Just make sure that the temperature is on low, and make sure just to stir in between, maybe in every 15 minutes, so that it does not burn. Even though it has a lot of liquid, it might still burn. So this was our video recipe for today. I hope you learned how easy it is to make this delicious, healthy, and nutritious chickpea curry, which is great vegetarian and vegan dish. And if you want to learn more, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that helps me to create more video recipes, and that supports my channel. So I'll see you next time. Bye.